Huh? What's that? What is it? Does that mean it's kaput?
I'd say your engine's full. So look, the split water's come out, the seat's solid.
Oh god, oh god. Do that again, Macy. Yeah, see, thanks. Just gonna do the ignition. Oh, and the mirror. And there's the nice ignition, completely ruined. And I had a nice time with lots of beer. No. Broke in. Completely broken door. I've got them in the bag. And the wheel is completely ruined.